I guess in this video I am going to show you how to fix Logitech G Hub stuck on loading screen. Watch the video till the end so you cannot miss any important step. Here you will see. This is the solution provided by the peoples on the official website of Reddit. They can say is that not sure if anyone is still stuck, but you could try this. Open service.msc. Look for LG Hub updater service. Then if it is disabled then turn it back on. If not, good luck. Open LG Hub and it should work maybe. And another people provided the solution, as you can see. Don't use GHub. GHub should still be in alpha. It's literally a piece of crap of software. Use LGS Logitech gaming software. It has been repairing for years. It works. It basically the processor. Not idea why they felt the need to go for a new piece of software A&D. Take it out of beta when it was still broken. So this is the solutions provided by the peoples on the official website of Reddit. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.